Hi, I'm Lenzi. In the final step of my journey, I was determined to find out more about how and why we eat what we do. Many people now make reference to so-called ancestral diets when trying to make sense of this. But is there a simple underlying explanation? What does the science say?
Invariably, you find stone tools that were used to butcher meat. And some of them, maybe 50% of them, and there are thousands and thousands of these, you find also animal bones. That means that animals were a key component of the human nutrition at the time.
But it wasn't only meat that mattered. What really changed everything was our ability to process food using fire cooking and tools. This made food easier to digest, freed up energy, and supported the growth of our larger brains. Our ancestors thrived through flexibility and adaptability, eating from whatever nature offered rather than following one fixed diet.
These insights adds to the same truth. Adaptability has always been our strength. There's no perfect recipe for what you should eat. There never has been. But there is something far more valuable. Common sense about what we need and what we should avoid. And that, at its heart, is what the Nourishment Table is all about.